Hello everybody. Just in case you're wondering what I'm doing to my bike, why is it all apart, I'm gonna let you know. I've just recently took my bike over to Harley and they gave me an estimate on some of the stuff that needs to be just replaced and repaired, just general maintenance on the bike. So the total cost was like $1,600 to do everything. So one of the things was like this rear rocker up here. I have a lower leak. They want $350 to fix that. No, you're insane. I know my tires need to be replaced because they're old, so I need some new shoes for old girl. And that was $800. No. And then there's some other maintenance that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna redo my forks over here, lubricate them, make sure they're all good. I do have some dents here in the front end I'm gonna try to repair. This speakers were just bad, so I'll be replacing the speakers in here. This mirror over here was wobbly and I found out why. The bolt was broke on the back pretty much, and luckily it didn't fall off while I was driving. So I'm gonna be fixing that. I'll have to pull all this off just to get the back tire off. And there's just some basic other maintenance that Harley wanted done on this bike, and they wanted to charge me $1,600. And I'm like, and I did my own calculations, and it's gonna cost me about 800 bucks to do everything on this bike. But some of the things that they didn't catch, like that air filter is kind of nasty, needs to be replaced. I do want to upgrade my oil cooler, and I do want to paint it and dechrome it. So that's just a quick update on what I'm doing to the bike. I do have, as you can see, I do have some of the parts off. I've got some over here. I have some over here. And I am labeling everything where every bolt goes that I take off, because I will not remember when it's time to put it all back together, and I don't want to be left with any extra bolts. So stay tuned, watch the Facebook, and I'll keep you guys updated.